Today, what I'm doing? Well, beside me waiting parts for the CRX behind me, I made an order the other day for my CRX. And, you know, if you know very well, when you have a 30-year-old car like mine, with more, interior parts are very hard to find. And sometimes you find them and they look really good to the brake. You know what I mean? They really look good to the brake. So this is what happened with me. My vessel broke on the back driver's side end. So I started looking around because I want to put an extra gauge in the car, but I started looking around and I found this company online. I already ordered from them before. It's basically CD. It's Case Deluxe, and sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong, but that's the brand right here. I believe you were the same company that I bought this from in the past. So let me put this sticker right here on my sticker wall. But again, I was looking for a replacement for this. You know they don't sell a new. And I was looking for a gauge cluster. And boom, I found it. This is why they came up with it. It's a 3D printer part. And it looks really good. Really good. Solid. You got these little hooks right here. I presume this is what you hook up your dash to the dashboard and plug that in. So let's go put it in together. I'll give you 10 points on this. This is good. Now, also with the kit comes to this little, I got them inside. When you're about to put the gauge in, it comes to this little 2 Velcro kind of deal that goes inside. Is to keep the gauge in place. It's like a those tape to keep the gauge in place so it don't move. It don't come out of the bezel. I got that in size. Let's go install this real quick because I really like it. Hey guys, this is my 1988 Honda CRX with a case swap. This is where the vessel is going to go to. This one right here is a 1989. I got a couple of these cars in the house. I'll show you in a few minutes when I'm done with these. This is a turbo, single cam turbo car, but this is my K20 show car that I'll be putting this on. So when I bought this, my gauge already broken. So that's where the gauge is, and I got a show coming up. I want to make sure that my CRX is on point. So how do you install this? Again, you see this right here? You're going to put it right on top like that. Let me put you down, guys, so you can see. Put you right here. All right, so this is going to go right here, and these are going to push on this wall right here. So we're going to go. Make sure you line up that. See the clips? You can tap it. There we go. That's it. Boom. And it looks amazing how this look. Now, the reason I'm getting this gauge installed because my cluster right here doesn't work, the speedometer and the outer speedometer, and I want it. I'll give you props, man. You put this in an angle towards the driver view, and I like that. Guys, if you have it this yet on your CRX, go ahead and install it, have it done, and get it done. I do have 2 more, and this message is for you guys. The guys invented this. If you have something better than that, because this is my gauges right here. I know you also have one that goes right here. I might get that later because I want to put some more gauges in. I'll take that one, put another one. I mean, I want to be light up. I want to turn the keys on. I want to everything light up. I mean, if you have one, because I don't use my AC, but if you have one for both, gauges right here, oh man, that'll be solid. That'll be a great one, right? So I got these plus another 2 solid right here, and I can still use my clock. So I like the way this setup is gonna sit. So you turn the gauges, you're gonna see everything's gonna come on, everything's working except this one. This one is a gauge that I have it there. Look, it will fit like that. Boom. Remember that gate, that part that I was telling you about, the tape? The tape goes right here, right here, right here. When you put it in, it goes nice and smooth. Right now it's loose. It's gonna go nice and smooth there. This is no gauge that I have here, but man, when you're driving, it's gonna look so amazing. I'm gonna put my steering wheel on, so I'll be driving. I can see my gauge right there, the one that I'm getting, plus whatever I got here. So I need, again, if you guys have something better for this end, let me know. Now guys, looking from the outside in, it'll do look amazing. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. It looks good. I'm just waiting for that gauge to come in. Again, if you have one more something different over there, buddy, let me know. Hit me up. And if you're local here, Fort Myers, Cape Coral area, this car will be in the show locally. August 10th, this car will be in the show. With adult sold, it's not here today. It will be in the show. So, see you guys later. Thank you for watching, subscribing. Thank you for CD for sending me that part. Thank you for everything you guys do. You guys are awesome. Thank you for keeping the community. So, oh yeah, I promise you guys I'm going to show you the rest of the cars. Well, this is the first one. This is the 89 Honda CRX size. The owner is Tony. I'm almost done with it. Turbo and all that stuff. Right now there's no interior. So this is my 88 Honda CRX. And let me walk in the back. Here I have this one that was a project. It's not touched yet because I've got 2 other projects ahead of it. It's a wagon, 88 wagon, very rare to find. Here I have my 93 Honda Civic from Canada with a K24, in 1990 Civic EF. A little corner right there. I'm gonna watch my videos. I'm gonna pull that out. And this one, the next one, project online, it's gonna go inside. This is a 1990 or 91 CRX. I mean Civic Si. We'll put a B17 Type R motor in it, and we're gonna repaint the whole car. It's gonna look like my CRX when it leaves. So those are my cars that I got right now. If you want to see more about it, subscribe. I do have the another CRX. It's not the EF, but it's minus 2000. The starter one now. It's right there. So that's my S2. That's the S2000 that I own. So, guys, if you want to watch more about these cars, you got to follow the Gene Garage. Thank you for watching, subscribing. Hopefully this video was interesting for you, how to install that part in a vehicle. Peace.